Protégé. Dominance. Crackhead. What are you doing? Are you doing 25 miles an hour, you fucking arse? I've attached the 360, but I've turned, basically my left-hand mirror is now useless to me. It is the please don't fall off 360 mirror, so I can keep an eye on it. Trying something a little bit different, a little bit, ooh, sexy cam. I have this weird thing when I come out of work. I think it's because of the fresh air. It's either I'm overly emotional about leaving work. It's like, just as I'm leaving, like basically when I get some fresh, I'll try it again. We'll try it again with words. When I'm leaving work, because of the visor's open and I get fresh air hitting me in the face, like my right eye lets forth a tear of joy, a one eye sexy cry every time. Don't know why it does it. Always the right eye, only when I'm leaving work and no other time. I assume it's the warm office into the cold air, but I don't know why it's the right eye of sexiness. It's never been the left. Maybe I can't cry on my left eye. Maybe the left eye is the unemotional side. Another comment classic today is about how dangerous filtering between trucks is, because they may suddenly, without warning, veer across the lanes. I mean, considering I'm between two trucks, so unless one truck is about to try and merge with the other truck sexually, I'm not entirely sure what the point is. I've never seen a lorry suddenly like jump to the side, but apparently a skilled rider would know these things. A skilled and experienced rider is terrified of filtering, apparently. I don't get it. I don't get why some people choose to live in fear of the unknown, of what's possible. I mean, the possibility of getting mauled by a badger on the way home, it's not 0%. There's always that possibility it may happen. So why exactly? I mean, am I going to go home wearing a full body armor, a badger defense kit? No, you're not, are you? You're just gonna assume that it's unlikely. But if the situation does happen, what can you do? You'll be on the next season of When Badgers Attack. Think of it as a good side. I mean, yeah, I get it. If two lorries decide to do a love merge while I'm in between, I've not really got much side-to-side room, but I've got that. I've also got another one, that this one right there. This little beaut slows me down. It does, slows me down. So the side to side, I can either go fast forwards or I can stop and let them hopefully not slam into me. Or I've always got the fact that I can beep my horn, I can toot my little hooter. I mean, it's not as an impressive hooter as some people, but let's be honest, I've still got one. The decibels of your tooter, it's how you use it. Just remember that, people. Remember that. I'm also not a premature tooter either. Oh god, it feels so good to be on the bike, out of work and on the bike, making noise, feel that wind in your face, and it's clear and it's not absolutely pissing down. And I'm hoping that shit on the road that almost caused me to fall on my arse this morning has gone. We can only hope. I'm gonna let you down, far from the offer evermore. Let the sweat drip from every pore. And I hate it, and I hate it, and I hate it, and that's all I know. Like a thought in my mind, like a cigarette. Wow, 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 wow. Frankie, you're a tool, Frankie. I'll hire you. I'll give you a job. I was a weird little position he was in there. Is he cold? Is he chilly? Is his cockles warm? Cockles cold? What's the optimum temperature for a cockle? Shut up! Ooh, it's the popo. Was it the ambulamancers? I don't quite know why we're all doing this little slow as fuck shuffle. Guess where I'm going? Yep, you know it, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Lightweight fucking gloves. Do you know what? I might just get cold hands. I might just have cold hands. And fuck it. Maybe I'll just cut the thumb bits off. I'll have cold thumbs. I'll have a cold thumb. I'll have a stiff digit. I might want to cut down on all this innuendo. I'll end up on the news. I was listening to a lot of the younguns at work, the youth, because they were talking about like Greg Wallace. And I was oh, disgusting what he said. He's disgusting. It's disgusting. And I said, I've not really been following the story overly much. So I just said, oh, what's he done? Because he's been saying things. I said, no, but what's he done? I'm like, oh, nothing. None. But he's probably done something because he's been saying all these things. I was like, there's a lot of comedians, a lot of TV personalities that built their careers on saying things. I mean, Julian Clary, Jesus, GB Creepy, built an entire career on being an aggressive homosexual. It's just odd that no one ever says, can you behave yourself? They just sort of go along with it, and eventually someone will like go, don't like this, and about 50 people will suddenly stand up and go, no, I don't like it either. I don't get it. See, what I don't understand is, right, people will just they'll be harassed and they'll take it till someone stands up, right, and then they'll all pile on. But the excuse for not doing it sooner is always because, oh, I was afraid, you know, it might ruin my career or that kind of stuff. I was like, so essentially what people are saying is they got paid, so they just took it. So they'll begrudgingly allow themselves to be sexually harassed as long as they got paid. It's quite so it's just weird to me. It's just weird. And obviously, genuine assault and stuff like that, where you may feel physically threatened. But when it's like just comments and naughty language, then you're literally just going, yeah, well, I'll just put up with it for money. For fame and fortune. You can say whatever you want to me, honey. You saw him indicate me. You saw him. Why did you close that fucking gap? You literally saw him do it. Back and forth to my mind like a cigarette. Do 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 do. Dominance. Put it in gear, you twat. Yeah, twat bag. Pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. Wow. Wow. This is the mango spirit. This is the mango spirit. The caffeine and mango attitude. So much caffeine, so many mango. Edibles. Isn't that a drug thing? I've no idea how you're supposed to pronounce that.